Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be about Canva and it's mainly for beginners if you haven't used Canva before or you're still trying to work out how it works. Today's video will be very relevant to you, and my goal for this video, the end of it, will be for you to be able to have the basic knowledge or basic techniques of how to make graphics, simple graphics from like social media graphics to like your business graphic if you've already got a business, and to help you be able to grow your page or whatever that you're working on. But the main thing is for you to be able to use Canva and to be able to enjoy it and play around with it, and just have fun with it, because it's a really fantastic tool to use, and it's just fantastic. I love it. Without further ado, just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do press that like button and subscribe at the same time, and I really appreciate that, because it helps me to get all this exposure and to get these videos to someone who may be needing this. Alrighty, now let's get into Canva. So before you start playing around with these graphics, you need to create an account, and Canva has got a free account that you can sign up for and just use so many tools on that account. It's also got the Canva Pro or Canva for Business, which you have more access to other things. But for this tutorial, I'll sign into my my Google account, and I will show you guys how to do it. So for signing up, you will sign up there, as you can see. Then you bring up this page, and here you can either sign with Google, Facebook, or you can use Apple, I think, these days. So if you just want to use your email and create a password, you can have that option there. So for this one, I'll just go to Google and then use my Pro account. It's that one. So I can show you different things. It will be a short tutorial just to give you a little insight into how Canva works. So once you sign up, you are in, you've got an account. It's a free account, so you'll have this workspace to work on, and I'll just go through things that you need to know before you carry on. So your account information will be there. If I click on that, you'll be able to see all your account information there. And then to create a design, it depends on what you want. That's the great thing about Canva. There are all different options that you can make. So as you can see below here, you've got Instagram, Insta intro, the thumbnail for YouTube videos, Facebook posts, and the videos, even just the photo albums for your family. You can use all that. So it's all different templates that you have there. So you can also see there, or you can just come here and say create a design, and then it will show you anything that you want, and you select from there. But before I do that, I'll just show you this menu this side as well. The home menu, that's where we are. So it's showing everything that is on the screen right now. Then you go to template. This is what you'll be using. Unless you are a designer, you can design your own if you like, but Canva has got everything that you can tweak and play around with. If you are not a graphic designer, you just change a little bit what you are provided with already. So you've got all these options here, similar to what I was talking about before. And then you've got the features that have got all different things. The photos, they've got the free and the paid photos. So on a free account, you've got different photos as well. So I will show you that. And as you can see, all different options. Then you've got this option where you can learn how Canva works as well. If you want to do a Canva for design course, it's there. You learn so many different things, and then they've got their different courses, tutorials, and the blog. If you want to know more about branding, marketing, it's all there. So that's why I say it's a fantastic tool to have. Now coming back to this left menu here, you've got, once you design something, all your designs will come into a folder, and they'll call it all your designs. So in this folder, you can then separate your designs, whether it's for Instagram, for Facebook, or for business, or you can separate them so it doesn't feel like it's a clutter, really. And then brand kit is where like your own brand colors or brand fonts are. You can put them in one place, the ones that you use more or you want to use in your designs, you can put them in one place. And then the content planner, you can plan your content in one area, or put in one area. Then if you've got a team of 2 or 3, then for them to have access to your account, as I was saying, that account there, then you can put them in and create those team members' accounts so they can log in. And then the folders, I was saying, all your design, you can split them into folders that will show you what I've done with my some of mine. And then the stuff that you like, the templates that you like, you want to use more, you can like them, and then they will always be on top when you search for stuff, because they're the ones you like. Alrighty, without wasting more time, so I'll just want to create a quick graphic so I can show you, because I don't want this video to be long. It's a basic beginner's tutorial. So let's go and create, let's say, a Facebook page. So I'll go to create, design, and then I'll come here and say Facebook post. And the great thing about Canva is that design that is there, that the template that you use, it's already got the measurements already. Like I chose Facebook, so all this will fit properly into Facebook place. So if it's a YouTube, the template is got all the measurements, the dimensions that are needed for YouTube. It's great, really. You learn as you go. So let's see, you've got the canvas here that is clean for you. Then you can find out the template that you want, then you can create. So I'll just pick one simple template that we can use here. Let's see what you can use. Anything really. I'll get one with the photo so I can show you how to put the photo in as well. Let us see. Okay, let's take that's a video one. Alright, let's take this one. Okay, you see I've clicked on it, and then straight away it comes into your canvas. So that's the great thing about it. I'll just create another. So if you want to copy this to have another photocopy of this, so you can maybe tweak a little thing, but within the same template, you can go here. It says it's duplicate. If you duplicate this, so now you've got 2, as you can see. So this one here, I'll change. Sorry, yeah, I want the whole thing. So I will change that one. I'll just this one I'll just make. I'll just say add a new page. That will be blank page, so I can add a completely different template. I just want to show you something else. Okay, maybe that one. So that we'll work on that one. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the design there. So now what you do, if you click on, I'll just click on the whole thing because I want the whole thing to be highlighted. As you can see, it says the whole thing, this line outside that guides you. So you see the color for the entire template, it's there, so you can play with the color there. If I do this, it changes those colors, you see. Then if you click onto something else, you see it's the great thing about Canvas is that it's a drag and drop. So if you click and drag, it will move where it is, so then you can drop it somewhere. That's the great thing. And these are extra templates that or elements that have been put on top of the main template, which is this one. This is the main template. So I can put it there, and then also you've got filters of how to play with this one. These are the filters that you can use to play with all that. So I'll put it back there. And one thing that I want to show you is the photo. You see this photo? They've put the photo on top of the template. So you can take that photo out. It's gone. So you've got the space there to now put your photo. This is what I wanted to show you. So you can create a photo template, and then to add a photo, it's easy. You go to photos, Then Canva has got different types of photos that you can choose. Some are free, some are paid. So for you to know if it's a paid one, if you hover over it, so this one, it says Pro. So you have to pay $1, I think, each photo. You have to pay that one. But if you don't want to go through everything to see which one is free, just come up here and then select the free photos. So all and apply the filters. And all the photos that will come now, you see that there's a free sign. Then you can use that. Let's complete that. It says happy birthday, happy Mother's Day. Yeah. So let's see if you can. You can just type whatever you want there. So I've got there and say Mother's Day. Let's see if you'll get the mother and daughter. That's fine. That'll be good. Then we'll put this one. I don't know what photo was there before, but I'll just I like this one. You see, then you can just drag it and drop it into that into the canvas that you had there. So you see, it's back in there. So that's good. You can drag it a bit more. So it's up to you how you want it. Then one thing you can do, you can move it around, and you can even you see this section here. You can even make it straight if you don't want it to be in a different angle. So there you go. So you put your photo in, then the text now, which is important. You've got text here. If you want to put the text, you click on the text that you want to change. Then you come here, and then on the left side there will come all the text that. Sorry, this one. Yeah, it will bring the text that you use, that you can use. Or if you've got your brand color text or your brand text, it will bring the text that you use all the time, or that we've selected to use for your entire design. So I'll choose one. Let's just standard one. I don't know what happened there. Let's choose it. There we go. And then you can just drag it a little bit. Position it in a nice way. That's it. There you go. Then you can change the color of the text. You just click on the actual text there. Then the text color will come. So if you've got the brand colors, I've got these colors from the brand, and then the photo actually will bring all the colors that are in there. But if you want to change this for the text, you just select the text there, and then you go to the color. Then the color will come. I'll just say black or white if you like, and see that looks a bit good. So if you want to remove an element, let's say you want to remove this element here, there's a tape there, you just do that and then delete or the bin, it will delete that. If you want it back in, you go to arrow and then go backward, undo, and then it will take it off as well. So I'll take that off. I like that photo there, and that's it. So that's your design there. So if you want to, there's sometimes when you open a template, it's got different texts that are grouped together. So I'll show you. See, one thing I wanted to show you was this one. You see all this text, so it's all movable at once, so you can't change any. You have to change the whole thing because it's all grouped together. So what you can do, you click on it, as you can see, then you come up here on the taskbar there, you've got ungroup and position, so you can just go to ungroup. It will ungroup everything. Now if you click outside and then you select each, you see you can move it by itself. Then you can then change and type or change the font for one without affecting the other. You can even change the background. Let's see, there you go. That looks a little bit better, or you can even change the color. If you don't want that color, it's too bright, you can play around with the colors there as well. So you've got options to do everything, and these different photos there you can change. As I said, I showed you with the photos, you click on one photo and then you bring the photo, and then you can bring it into that area there, so it will stay there. So that looks actually nice. So that's it, guys. So now the last thing to do, if maybe the photos that you don't have, you have here, they're not that interesting to you, and you want to upload your photo, you come to upload, and then you upload an image from your account, let's say from your folder, the folder that you have, or from Facebook or from Google Drive, wherever you got your photo, you can then upload it from there. So I'll just pick one from my downloads, and so I've got one there. Let me see. Yeah, I'll take that one. So you can just drag it there, it will come up there, or you can just select it and then press open. So that's the one there. So I will, then once it's in there, it's in your folder, it will stay there until you delete it yourself. But otherwise, you click there where you want to put it, and then bring it. Just click on it, it will come here, then you just need to take it and put it where you want it. As you can see, and then if you want to position it inside there, you just double click on it, then it will allow you to move it around. And now after you position it nicely, then you come out of it, and that's it. And the font, I already shown you the font. And so once you are happy with your design, the main thing is to now to save it. So you can even post straight away. If you've connected your Facebook to Canva, you can post it straight to your Facebook page, because we selected Facebook. If it's Instagram, it will do the same as well. But for this one, I'm going to save it into my desktop or into my folder. So what I'll do, I will press the download button there, so it will select the format that you can save it in. So this format here is PNG, but you've got a different formats. You've got JPEG, and obviously you don't want to use PDF for this. This is a photo. If you've got a video in your template, then it will come up automatically as this. I think it does give you the selection, but you have to make sure it's the right one yourself. So I will select the PNG there, and then these other bits are for the Pro version, so you don't need to know that now. So here it will tell you as well, or ask you how many pages do you want to download. So we've got 2 pages there. So what I'll do, I'll just say 2, so you can see, so it will save both of them. If I say 1 page, I'll select one, and then it will only save that one and leave the rest in this template. So I'll just say 2, and then I'll press download. It will download, and then it will come somewhere on your folder, your download folder. So let's come up to my download folder. It's up there, because it will come, because there's two templates on it. It comes in a zip folder. I have, so that one is here. It's still loading up, but if I click on that, it will you see, there it is. Yeah. So that's how you do it, guys. And I'll go back to the main home page, and that's it. Really, those are the basics of Canva. So you can make it. It's easy to use it, and you learn it as you go. So the first thing is just to try get a free account, and then work your way around it, and you'll be good. And then you'll be able to see the difference in your social media pages. Whatever you do, people will notice the difference as you do it. You'll be different from the rest of the public. So there you go, guys. If you've got any questions, guys, I hope you can comment there and ask, or then we can talk about it, or I'll do more videos on Canva, because I love the tool. So I'll do a lot of videos on that. And with that, I'll just want to say thank you for watching this, guys, and I'll talk to you soon on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.